Hi, welcome to Hard Resetting for channel dear viewers. In front of me Sony Alpha, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up your flash on this device. So firstly, you need to open the main menu and here choose the first block and then choose flash mode. Flash mode is on 10 page of camera settings. Click on it and here we have flash off. So the flash is disabled in this mode and will not fire. Auto flash, so the flash fires automatically when the camera detects low light conditions. Fill flash, the flash fires every time you take a picture, regardless of the lighting conditions. This is useful for filling in shadows in bright conditions, for example. Slow sync. So the flash fires, but the camera uses a slow shutter speed to capture more ambient light, making the background brighter in low light situations. Rear sync. So the flash fires just before the shutter closes. So before. So slow sync. In slow sync, flash fires. Fires in slow shutter, but here flash fires before shutter closes, so it's creating a natural motion blur effect with the flash illuminating and the subject at the end of exposure. So this is different type of flash. But of course you can use it in different modes, for example not in auto but maybe in manual. For example, when we can set up the exposure and shutter speed. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.